Hey everyone, I'm Bradford, the penny pincher of the personal finance. Today, let's talk about the Citi Custom Cash Card. When it comes to the credit cards with the cashback game, you're going to be hard pressed to find a company that does it better than Citi. With specifically referring to the Custom Cash Card, this card is going to offer you 5% cash back on whatever your top spending category is for any statement, and then 1% cash back on any spending categories outside of that one. And all this comes with no annual fee. Now let's talk about that 5% cash back. It's not going to be unlimited, and it's actually capped at $500 in whatever your top spending category is, which the card is actually going to choose for you. You don't have to put any thought into it beforehand. But any spending above that $500 per statement credit is going to revert back to 1% cashback that is going to be earned. Now, I do want to clarify that the cashback that you're earning isn't actually directly given to you back in the form of cashback, whether in a statement credit or a check that you can cash out. You're actually going to be earning all this cashback in the form of Citi thank you points, which I actually think is more beneficial than earning direct cash back, and here's why. So previously, you did just earn direct cash back, which again, you could be cashed out in the form of a statement credit, or you could get a check that you could deposit into your bank. But with Citi thank you points, because they do still have the valuation of 1 point is equal to 1 cent, you can always redeem your Citi thank you points as a statement credit, which is effectively the same as earning it directly in the form of cash back. Now, the benefit with thank you points is one, you can either redeem them with a transfer partner, or you can redeem them as a gift card with a bunch of different positive promotions that they're going to give you varying time to time. And that's going to give you greater than a 110 valuation per point that you actually earn, which is going to make your money go further. But shifting back to the actual 5% that you're going to earn in your top spending category, what I really like about this card is that you don't have to pick the category in advance and lock yourself in, nor do you have to worry about rotating rewards categories that are outside of your control. Whatever category that you spend the most on is going to automatically be chosen to give you that 5% cash back up to the $500 in spend. So what I think this card is really great for is being able to maximize your credit card strategy in a certain area, whatever that area might be, that you don't already have some maximizing earning potential. For me, I'm going to use my Citi Custom Cash Card as my designated gas card to be able to save a little bit more at the pump. And the great thing is in the future, if I find another card that's going to give me a better rewards on gas, I can easily switch whatever I want to use as my top spending category from statement credit to statement credit, as I'm never locked in. If I want to use it towards groceries, I can do that. If I want to use it towards utilities, I can also do that. It gives you tons of flexibility and you're never locked in. And with being able to earn 5% cash back up to a total of $6,000 in spend, averaged out between those 6 months, that's a great way to be able to maximize your credit card strategy and get your money to stretch just a little bit further. Now, the great thing about this card is also a double-edged sword. Because it is so specific in the value that it gives you, it takes it away from being able to be a great everyday credit card. Now, if you are looking for a great everyday credit card, please check out our list of the best cashback credit cards for 2022. I want to thank you for watching me today. Hope this gave you a little bit of insight as whether or not the card is good for you. And please remember, from your first penny to your first million, we're here to help.